I will be using a vertical sander and an antique buffalo drill press to fabricate the parts necessary for these custom drawer pulls. Let's get started. After making my measurements, I head over to the drill press and get it set up to start drilling. It is difficult because we are dealing with an uneven piece of metal. I overcome this by using razor blades for shims and literally holding it in place during the drilling. I am using a 7/32 drill bit for my holes. I know I will be putting an 1/8 inch number 10 all thread in these holes, and this size will allow for the epoxy to flow around my threaded rod and lock it securely in place. Once the drilling is complete, I lay all my pieces out and get ready to start making the actual connectors for the drawer that will be glued in later. The first step is to cut the threaded rod to the desired length and sand off the burrs that may remain. As I am sure you've noticed, we will be doing a lot of cutting and sanding. Please remember to wear your safety glasses at all times. Next, after we measure the proper lengths, we will be cutting our copper tubing. The tubing has an OD or outside diameter of 1/4 inch, and the threaded rod fits nicely inside of it. We will be treating the tubing the same as the threaded rod, cut to the desired length and deburr it. Before assembling our anchors, let's check our parts really quick. Threaded rod number 10, 24 threads per inch, cut to desired length. 1/4 inch outside diameter copper tubing, cut to desired length. Number 10 nuts, coarse thread, as needed, and number 10 washers, as needed. I will be using JB Clear Weld to lock the anchors in place. The difficult part will be getting them lined up just right so that when I install them, they all look the same. I learned that laying them down helps keep their position until the glue dries. Some of it will run out, but we can clean that up with a razor blade and a brass brush after they have completely dried. At this point, I find the perspective centers of each drawer, and then I take the drawer handle and make my respective marks for drilling. I'm going to put all the railroad spike heads to the left. I want them to look all the same. I put one in and then decided to use a stain because the contrast was too stark for my taste. I used a stain called Classic Dark Walnut from Verithing. That's it. Thanks for joining me on this edition of HDHDT. I'm Richard L. Wingett, and I wish you the very best on your artistic endeavors, and I hope you enjoyed mine. And I'll see you on the next one.